Uh, Hello, my name is Shamim and I work for Fortis Leads, and today I'll show you how to log in into this software and work with it. So first of all, you will get a login URL here, and you will get username, user ID, which is your email ID, and the password. So now I'll be using a demo account to show how to log in and do some works. So this is your dashboard, and we'll find different snapshots or different tools to work with and to get reports. For example, this is the number of leads that is generated today. This is the number of appointments that it need to call or text or email. You can see here, this is the task, and this is your appointment view. This is your task view. You can see there's a couple of tasks that is overdue, and this is your leads view. You can change the timings or date range from here, and you submit, and it will show information from this date range to this date range. Once you log in into the dashboard, you need to set your availability. So you need to click here, and this is your profile settings, where you need to enter your name and your time zone, and if you have any social media URLs, you can enter. This account is for the employee account. They don't have admin privileges. They will log in into this dashboard and do their works. Before they start working on it, they need to set couple of things like availability settings. You can see that I have created couple of timings for this demo account, and he can sync Google Calendar with his own, and this will be a both-way syncing calendar. This is a reminder settings. It basically works like before appointments. It can send emails to customer as well as to an employee. This is the SMTP setting for which will be used to send emails. So don't worry about this. We'll be providing you the details. So this is the dashboard settings and the profile ones. This is the appointments view. If you click that button, this is the appointments view. This is the appointment name of this specific employee, and he can view bookings from here. It's not showing anything because it's a demo account and he does not have any bookings till now. Next, this is the pipeline, and you can see a couple of pipelines for this specific customer. If he can choose different pipelines that is assigned to him, and he can see available leads in different stages. These are stages like imported, need appointment, set appointment, reschedule, sold plan, lost, bad lead. So, and it will move, all these lead will move forward automatically. So no need to do anything with these leads. If some leads are not okay, he can drag it and can send to trash. or somehow else. So that is the pipeline. This is the card management. This card management is for digital card. No need which can be shared uh, over email or over text. So if somebody visit his card URL, he can call or schedule appointment. Again, he can go to dashboard to see all the details, and if he needs to see some specific leads or all the leads, he can click on my lead link, and he can see all the leads here. You can see there's a couple of things here like score and temperature. Temperature is something where one can set as per his requirements. If some leads are very good that can convert right away, they can select warm or hot and change it. That's why um, you can see which leads need immediate actions. If you want to go to any details of this lead, just click on this link and you'll be redirected to the lead details page. Here you can see the details: name, email, phone, history of that lead, and on which stage the lead is right now. You can change or add different tags, and these tags will be used to move forward this lead into pipelines. You can see task. So if you have something to do with that lead, if you need to call that lead some days later or send an email to to them, you can add a task here and a due date. This is a brief introduction of this platform. Once we have all the lead details, we'll be able to show you more about how we can actually use an actual scenario. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching.